Hello everyone, this is Towkir. Today I'm going to demonstrate a software developed by myself. The software is about waste management. Mm, So let's do it. This is my Python code. Now I'm going to open that one. Please hang on a second. Yeah, sorry about that. My PC is slow. Well, all right, here you go. So here is the dashboard overview. On the dashboard, you can find residents, bin, collectors, pending task, revenue, and completed task as well. For the second option, if we go to residents, here we can find name, addresses, phone number, and residents' IDs. Uh, like the first one, RES001. The name is John Smith, and you can find addresses, phone numbers, and residents' email as well. If I want to add a new resident, I can use this panel. Like here, full name, I have to write full name. For an example, I'm entering my name as a resident. Towkir, and using a random address like Sydney, Australia. Sorry, phone number using a random phone number, something like that. And I can use a random email. Yeah. All right. So after putting all the information, if we click on add resident, yep, here you go. It will where there we can find um, Towkir, Sydney, Australia, and his phone number and email address as well. So the ID will be created automatically here. So on the opposite, what if we want to delete some residents from the list? For example, we want to delete Towkir from residents list. So for that, we have to write the resident's ID. Here, Towkir's ID is RES006. So after inputting his ID number, if we click on delete, and there will pop up a confirmation. Then if we click yes, it will delete from here. So after that, from bin task, we can manage bins and their status as well. Like bin ID, residence ID, type, what type of garbage or waste on that bin, we can find from that type a bin capacity, here status, and install date. So if you want to add new bin, we can add that using the same method as we added a residence before. So I'm not going to show that one because I have already showed that on residents. So then if we go to collectors, collectors means our drivers or someone who is going to collect the bins from residents. So they are very really important on that waste management task. Here we can see their IDs, their name, and vehicle registration number or vehicle number, whatever you want to say, their phone numbers, and they are active or not. And if they complete any task, we can see that here, task completed line. We can see that if, for example, like David Wilson have completed one task, then we can see that here. So if we want to add a collector, just like for an example, I'm going to add John and his vehicle number, TRUCK, any random number, something like that. And we have to put his phone number. Then click on add collector. So simply John will add on collector list. And we can remove John from the list just using his ID. Like I'm using John's ID, it's called 004. And if we click delete, it will be removed from the list. Yep, here you go. So after that, here is routes. If you go to routes, we can find different zone and how many stops on that routes, distance, and their status. And we can add different routes, new routes here, and we can delete them as well. So after that, we can go to task management. From task, we can see task ID, bin, characters, and we can prioritize them according to the priority. For an example, like if I add a bin, any random bin, and I am putting collector ID like call 003 will collect that one. So I'm going to add his collector ID here, call 003. So it's kind of I'm giving this task to collector call 003, and route ID is RTE 003, and I'm going to schedule that for tomorrow, like or any random day, like 26 to 26, sorry, 26 02 and 02. And I'm going to make that one um on high priority list. For me, this one, like for an example, this one is really important to remove or complete that task. So simply adding, okay, sorry. So we cannot put any random bin ID. We have to put them from our previous list. So I'm going to VI and 003. Here you go. So task 004 win 003. Uh, call 003, collector ID will collect that one, and it's on pending and the priority is high. So after task, we can use this system for payment methods. Like here, residents can pay with debit card online, and if we want to add different methods, like we can use cash as well. If someone want to pay through bank transfer, then we can add bank transfer from the list as well. So after payment methods, if you go to analytics, we can find our company's total review, total how much residents we are working with, how much bins we have, and here we can find collection rate as well. After activity log, and after analytics, let's jump to activity log. Here we can see all our activities, our collectors' activities, any topic was deleted, any task was deleted, or any residence was added on the list. All of the edit and activities we can monitor from activity log. So, and that's all for my apps. There are some more like details thing that I could be missed, because if I want to say each and every detail of my app, it's gonna take a lot of time. So thank you everyone for watching me, and that's all from my side about my software. Um, you guys are welcome to use my software. I'm going to make that one free within couple of weeks. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a good day.